Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable biometrics on Tonkeeper account. So first we're going to go to our Tonkeeper app, then click on settings, then scroll downwards to the security option. As you can see, it's turned on, so we're going to turn it off. This is high risk because your security could be compromised, so I would suggest you guys keep it on. But if you want to turn it off, this is how you do it. Make sure to check our other videos as well. We have different how-to tutorials. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.